Hello viewers, today we are talk about Antonia Lopez Gracia. Please like and subscribe this channel and share this video. Antonio Lopez Gracia is a highly respected Spanish painter and sculptor known for his extraordinary attention to detail and realistic style. Born on 6 January 1936 in Tomelloso, a small town in the province of Spain. Lopez Gracia grew up in a rural environment that deeply influenced his art. His family encouraged his talent for drawing and painting from an early age. At just 13 years old, Lopez Gracia moved to Madrid to pursue formal training at the prestigious Royal Academy of Fine Arts of San Fernando. He studied there from 1950 to 1955, mastering classical techniques while developing his unique artistic voice. During this time, he was inspired by both traditional Spanish art, such as the works of Diego Velázquez and Francisco de Goya, and modern European movement like Surrealism. However, Lopes Gracia soon gravitated toward a meticulous form of realism, which became his signature style. Lopez Gracia's art is characterized by its intense focus on everyday life. He often paints ordinary scenes such as urban landscapes, domestic interiors, and objects like trees or household items with incredible precision and emotional depth. His works are not only technically brilliant but also deeply contemplative, capturing the passage of time and the quiet beauty of the mundane. One of his most famous works, Gran Via, depicts a Madrid estate with astonishing detail and a dreamlike quality, blending realism with subtle surrealism. Unlike many artists, Lopes Gracia works at a very slow pace, often spending years on a single painting or sculpture. His meticulous process reflects his deep commitment to capturing the essence of his subjects. His dedication has earned him a reputation as a perfectionist and one of the leading figures in contemporary realist art. In addition to painting, Lopes Gracia has created sculptures that reflect his interest in realism and time. His sculpture, like his painting, are celebrated for their lifelike qualities and deep emotional resonance. Despite his fame, He remained a humble and introspective artist, focused more on his work than on public recognition. Lepus Gracia contribution to art have been recognized worldwide. He has participated in numerous exhibitions and his work is included is major museum and private collection. Some of his most significant exhibitions include those at the Museo Nacional Centro de Art Reina Sofia in Madrid and the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston. In his personal life, Luis Gracia is known to be deeply connected to his family and his roots. His wife, Maria Moreno, was also an artist, and together they shared a life devoted to art and creativity until her passing in 2020. Antonio Lopes Gracia continues to inspire artists and audience with his commitment to capturing reality in its most profound and poetic forms. His work serves as a reminder of the beauty found in ordinary moment, encouraging viewers to look more closely at the world around them. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video with family and friends. Thank you.